This is if, let's say, you are having PO at the first place. But if, let's say, you don't have any PO, okay, you don't have any PO at all. So you click plus, okay, again that you choose your branch, okay, and then you go to, instead of just now you go to the KO4 straight away, now you go to account, like you manually choose your supplier. So for the supplier, so if let's say your supplier is not here in the list, he is not in the list when you search, so you can go to create the supplier and the GRN level. So you go to the create or edit mode, make sure it's enable, then there will be plus button. So you click plus to create the new supplier over here. But if let's say you already have the supplier inside here, inside the listing, okay, so you can click one of them. Okay, and then you go to the line where you need to in your item. Okay, you can find your item and then in the stock, the quantity. Whenever that you don't have any item selected, so it will give you red color. Yeah. Okay. So if you see here, we have a posting status, which is final and draft. Okay. When it is a draft here, so the running number also is not also created over here. Okay. So you can still add the new item. When it is final, the plus button will not be shown here because you cannot edit anything. Okay, and then here, if let's say it's still draft, then you want to add new, okay, new item, then you can click plus to keep adding the new item. Okay. So if let's say everything okay, then you can go to the final button, click to the final.